Rajashri from Sedu Institute of Technology. Rajashri from Sedu Institute of Technology, coming from Madurai. Before UHV, my native is Tirunelveli, southern part of Tamil Nadu. Tirunelveli. I am now 41 years old. My son is 22 years old. I got married at 17 and became mother at 19 itself. So I dropped my education. I continued my education. When he got admission at school for LKG, I got admission for my UG. I did my UG from Institution of Engineers India, AMIE course. And then I did my part-time ME at Anna University, weekend batches. Now I am working as a assistant professor at Department of Cyber Security and doing my research in cyber forensics. This never give up attitude I got from my childhood, but my journey in UHV, sorry for I am not that much proficient in speaking in English. After I attended my UHV FDP online session. I am very fond of attending FDPs in a regular manner and sincere manner, because I didn't attend my education at UG and PG in a regular manner. Only distance education and part-time. I am very fond of attending my classes at on time and sincere manner. Till now, all the FDPs I applied, I usually attended. I usually attend it in a sincere manner. I used to give feedback and comment on the session. So first UHV FDP I have attended at through online session. I ask more questions at September 2024. I asked support from my dean ma'am to alter my classes and sincerely attended that 3 days FDP. I got my certificate. And then I was waiting. The content was very much attracting me, that I was waiting to attend that content in offline session. At that time, KCT, I got an opportunity to attend 8 days FDP offline session at KCT. Our resource person, our mentor is Sri Umesh Bayaji. We explore a lot. At the 4th day itself, I got the link. Usually all the FDPs, all the participants get the connect with the SR region group at the end of the FDP. At the 4th day itself, with the help of Shivaguru Bhaiya and Shanma Priya Didi, I get connected with the SR region group. And as Bhaiya took the session of gratitude, I just like Ilangovan Bhaiya, I just called my husband and I expressed my gratitude. He was quite calm, and after listening to that speak, what happened to you? Ennachuma edho anga edho assignment edho record panniterkiya. Somewhat he was very shocked with that expression of gratitude. Till now I am expressing my gratitude for his support. From that FDP, I am exploring myself, and I am very consistent and making little efforts towards my self-development. Due to the early marriage, I was very much under depression and stress and commitments, lot of commitments. That years were fast forwarded in my life. So now after UHV, I get to normal mode and give importance to myself and body. Giving more priority to myself and body, and then relationship with the family. Commitments towards UHV is, in our institution we already we already have UHV cell, and many society outreach programs we have conducted. Along with the students, we spend a day with orphanage and old age homes. And I personally, my commitment towards UHV in our institution is, every single gap I have to at the time, அந்த எந்த கொஞ்சம் ஃப்ரீ டைம் கிடைச்சாலும் நான் வந்து ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் கூட ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணி, அவங்க வந்து இப்போ உள்ள ஜென்சி கிட்ஸ் வந்து என்ன ரோல் மாடல் இன்ஸ்பிரேஷன், தே டோன்ட் ஹாவ் எனி ரோல் மாடல் அண்ட் இன்ஸ்பிரேஷன், எனி ரொட்டீன். So I used to write them in a paper about their daily routine. So most of them were scrolling their phones most of the time. So they have to learn about time management. I'm insisting them likewise in my institution at their free time. And with that UHV cell we are doing much. We are already in the potential nodal center list also in the SR region. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you, Rajashree ma'am. Now let us break for the lunch. We'll be sharp here by 2 p.m. and then followed by the other sharings. Thank you everyone. Kindly assemble by 2 o'clock.